Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video
Please subscribe to our channel.
and share with everyone.
Family, today we're gonna making some condensed milk fudge. So here we have 2 cans of condensed milk. I'm gonna pour this in. And I got 1 1/4 cup of sugar here, brown demerara sugar. Pour that in also. And going with the next can, right? I know this thing look like a lot of sugar, right, Krishna?
Yes. If you're making sweet, man.
And make it rich and done. I'm gonna try to get everything out.
Left some for me, man. Let me scrape I can.
Yeah.
I'm just messing. Get all of it out. A little bit left in me go chat they can.
You seeing in here?
So this is what it looks like: 1.25 cups of brown demerara sugar and 2 cans of condensed milk.
Yes. And the reason why I'm doing this, I'm pouring everything so it's not gonna catch, right?
Okay.
So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light the stove up. Oh, Krishna, light the stove up for me. Okay, so I add in my 2 condensed milk. I'm gonna give this a little whisk. The slow heat, right? Because I want the sugar to melt out. That's the whole purpose of doing this. I gotta turn. A lot of muscle here. A lot of muscle needed. I'm gonna give Krishna to help me in a bit. Because them, you know, my muscle get more big than this. So I gotta whisk away, right? And slow heat. So the heat a little bit more, Krishna.
Lower?
Yeah, lower.
Okay.
No rush the process, you know. Take it away. So we have to get this sugar all melted. And then I have some nutmeg here, a tablespoon nutmeg, and mixed vanilla. I'm gonna add that when it's almost finished. You gotta get all the sugar melted. So guys, I'm gonna continue to do this. I'm gonna get Krishna help. And I will show you guys when it's finished melting.
So look what I got here. I got some club crackers here. I'm making sure nothing go waste, right? Whatever is remaining in the can, I make sure I get all the condensed milk out. Condensed milk and crackers just go good, you know, man.
That is salt club crackers.
The salt from the crackers and the sweet from the condensed milk just make this go really good. So you guys try it. So make sure I get everything out. I mean, make sure I not waste none condensed milk then.
Make sure you don't burn the fudge.
The fudge not burn, man. Don't worry. It's under control. So we got some nutmeg here, grind up nutmeg, and we also got some vanilla. Let's go in with this, and then we're gonna continue to whisk it up.
Guys, and don't mind the stove. We didn't open the backyard fully yet. We still got to do some cleaning, right?
Yep, we still gotta in the middle of the spring cleaning process. I mean, extra warm temperature over the last couple of days, but we take advantage and we went to visit some places and stuff like that. So we didn't actually get to spend it too much time at home, right? The kids were off for spring break, so
It smells good.
made a couple of day trip here and there.
You know, it smells like custard, right?
Yeah, it smells really good. Feel like we can eat this thing just like this. We can't wait.
Try it like you hold on
Till
your
it's
tongue.
No man, we're gonna wait. Take a little patience.
And these stoves are so hard to clean, right? If you wet it, it's gonna damage. We had experience with the last one that we had, right?
Yeah, what I normally do is I spend some time and remove the burner, and then I try to clean it.
It's coming along good. Like what, 15-20 minutes?
Yeah, I've been here for about 20 minutes already. So maybe another 15 more minutes and we should have it under control.
Yeah. And over here, Jen just came out. She wants some black eye. It's almost finished. She don't want no shallot on it. So check it out, guys. Real nice too. And I always cook for the kids. And I cook it the way how they eat it, right? It's not about us, right, Krisha?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Check it out, guys. Check it out, family. Check it out. Real good. And she requested a lot of pepper. She normally pick the pepper out from everybody's plate and eat it.
Yeah, she's starting to eat a lot of pepper now. So now look what I got here to cool down. The temperature is warm, so I'm cooling down.
In Guyana, right? Them old lady, they say when you make anything with sweet, you can't get alcohol present and you can't talk over it or else you get spoil. Let me see if that's true.
Alright, so we're gonna find out now. So the other day, after I finished work, right, since I got my beer here, I just remember, I went to the bar to have a couple of beers. So one lady come in and he said, "Excuse me, sir, how many beer per day you drink?" I said, "On average about 3 or so." She said, "How much it costs you?" I said, "Around $15 to $20 with tips and everything." She said, "How long now you been drinking beers?" I said, "Maybe 20 plus years." She said, "You know, with all the money that you spend on this beer, every day you spend about 20. Per week it's about $120. Per month it's about close to $500. Per year it's over $5,000. In 20 years you're gonna get $120,000 save up. You could buy a brand new Lamborghini." I said, "Okay, me answer you all in question. Let me ask you one question. Do you drink beer?" She said, "No, sir." So I said, "Where is your Lamborghini?"
But why she was in the bar? I don't get it.
She come to pick up some cutters, some hot things.
Coming along nice. It looks similar like pear, right?
Yep. I think it's gonna be done in less than 15 minutes.
How is it going, Krishna?
Yeah, it's going, man. It's still going. I think it's almost there, right?
Yeah, it's almost there.
It's getting there already, so.
Look real nice.
Looking good, smelling good too, right?
Yes. So check it out, family. That's the black eye. A lot of pepper for Jen. She like it that way. And we get some nice chow here. What we have in here? Mango, cucumber, pineapple. Oh my God, I'm drooling.
Make sure you drool in there, you know.
Mandarin and a lot of goodness. Look. And I add oh my God, my mouth water leak when I talk. And I add some lemon juice and some lime sour. Man, this thing real irie.
Taste it, let me see that.
I did taste it. This was a whole bowl. I ate half of it.
So the fudge is done. This is how it comes out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in this container.
So we got a small container there that we're gonna put it in.
And I put some butter at the bottom. And I put the wrap on top, right? It's gonna be easier to come out. It's not a lot.
It's a nice small amount. And the kids are not gonna eat this.
It's just Krishna. Krishna got a sweet tooth.
Give me bad name, man. You're not going to eat none, like.
No, but listen, if you want, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you want, you can also like mash up a few nuts and put it on top or at the end here. You want some? We got pistachio.
It's alright, we'll go plain.
Yeah. So check it out, guys. Real
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Krishna can go scrape out this pot later. I need it.
Yeah, man. Not go waste. Me go eat that out.
So I'm gonna flat this out and let it dry, and then I'm gonna cut into it.
Yeah, once it get hardened.
Yes.
Alright, looking good there.
So come, let's check out this fudge.
Let's see what it did here. Oh, looking real good. Wow.
Man, it's like a real guy in the style. Krishna, hold on to this, guys. Look at this thing.
You give me paper, man. I don't want paper.
Can't waste some little crumbs if I follow.
I thought you were gonna give me the whole thing to eat.
I've just marked it up like this. Ooh, and it's still a little bit warm, right?
Yep.
Ooh, nice. Not going too much. It's like a back home style.
Real nice, real nice.
What happened?
I was wondering why you didn't cut it through the whole time. Why you just mark it?
Oh yeah, mark it. Look at it. You see?
Real good. Take a bite there. Take
Oh
a
my
bite.
God! It smells so delicious. Put that bad boy is over there. Look, Krishna. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Came out delicious.
Real nice, real nice. You did a good job. You did a good job.
Thank you. And this thing real sweet. A lot of sugar, so you don't wanna cut it too big, okay? And next time we're gonna try it with a nut, because I know. Look at this, guys. You see?
Yeah, yeah.
When we go to New York, Krishna and me buy this from Sybil's.
Oh yeah, the fudge by Sybil's is really good, but I'm hoping that yours top it.
Yeah. Well, you know, Sybil's got the best export there.
No man, I said I gotta export
no,
here.
But I don't think they'll make it as rich as we make it for our home use.
Homemade, homemade.
Yeah, they probably add canned milk and you know, like the bottled milk. Sorry.
Yep. But that's just what we think, right? We don't know, so.
I know. But we love you, Sybil's. We always shop there. Look at this, guys. The reason why I'm spacing it out because it's still warm.
Still warm, right? You give it
Yeah.
space so you can cool down.
Oh my God. Krishna, you're gonna have a feast here, boy.
I know, and I start drinking already. You know, drinking and sweet can go. So, me either gotta quit the drinking and eat the sweet, or continue drinking and save the sweet for later.
Okay, try the small. Let me give you a small piece of tray.
Alright guys, so this is looking real good here. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. So yes guys, look at this fudge here. How it come out real nice, real nice. So
Wow,
Rita, I know you
amazing.
told me say them old people in Guyana tell you you can't drink and you can't talk over it. I mean do all of that, still this thing come out good. I mean it look good, I didn't taste it yet. I'm gonna taste it now and see. Good, good. Not hard, nice and soft. And if you get weak teeth like me, this is very good. And it's very flavorful. I think the sugar is the right amount. I think while we were making it, you were thinking that we need to add more sugar. But for me, this is just perfect. Look at this, man. Mouth watering good. This is heaven. So look what's going on here. Plantain Man is back in business.
$2 pack, $2 pack. Listen.
Pack.
We got fudge. How much you selling the fudge for?
Fudge, $2 for one. Everything at $2. Look, I got this much done already. Oh, this come out real good there.
$2 fudge, $2 plantain. So you're a $2 plantain and fudge man.
Or you're the $2 man.
You're a $2 man.
Alright, so we're making some snack here. We got some nice plantain. Plantain been on sale today. 3 for $2.
I know, we now pay $1.25 for one.
So we're making some nice plantain chips.
It's not like
them
we
kids
crying,
snack.
but you gotta economize. And our
Yeah.
since was spring break, plantain went down low.
The kids been home for a little bit, so they use up a lot of snacks. So we gotta restock.
Yes. Lord Krishna, what are you praying for?
You gotta pray before you eat, right? You don't do that?
No.
You gotta tell God to bless the hand that prepared this food.
Oh, thank you. Oh, do it more often. Do it more often.
Alright, so here's the spread that we got here.
Which one you go first?
This is a little snack that we prepare. Some garlic chicken wing, some plantain chips. Of course, we got the fudge. And Rita prepared some chow here. So it's not a good combo, right? We got sweet, extra sweet. And we got sour here, or spicy stuff here.
No, you
And
don't
here
try.
we got a regular snack.
Sorry to butt in, but don't try the chow.
Enough for me?
No.
Alright, so since you said I got a sweet tooth, let me stay on this side.
Yeah. Or else whole night you'll be in the toilet.
And this one will make me stay away from the toilet. This one will give me constipation. Alright, plantain is good. Nice and crispy. Let me try a piece of wing now.
Garlic wings.
Look at this. Me and my night skin.
Eat how you feel comfortable.
It's good, good. This one we baked this one. I didn't fry it. So I put it in the oven to bake.
And there's a lot of recipe how we prepare the garlic
The garlic
wings
wing, yeah.
are already up.
This is very good, very flavorful. And it baked all the way down to the bone, you see? It's loosen out the bone. I know a lot of people when they eat chicken wing, they eat the whole thing. Skin and everything, but I don't like to eat the skin. How about you, Rita? You eat the skin?
I don't know how many years you've been married to me. How many years you've been with me? The white skin?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, right? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.